Post 231.3, track 1, no defects. Repeat, no defects.
Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate, come and be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.
Hey there, group. Back again with some more railroad action. At a different location, though. This would be Darrow Road crossing on Norfolk Southern Cleveland line. I have no idea who's coming, but I did hear him over by Erie near Avery, Ohio, so looks like it's going to be a manifest of some type. Crossing gates is working as intended. The ethanol, denatured alcohol, and these babies are loaded. Comes our DPU. I figured it had to be one. Little rock and roll there. Liquefied petroleum. That thing ain't even running. It's like idling. Appears it's slowing down, probably waiting for the green to get on the main line. I don't think this is 315 or 16 though. You see the end approaching. Well, 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 that's a pretty good train to start us off. All right, good beginning. Okay, I'm going to head up to my usual spot that I've been there up by Fraley Road and see what we get on the main line up there. All right, we'll be back. Okay, group, here at Fraley Road. Got a westbounder coming. I'm not sure that this could be 29G, because I did hear mention 29G. It is an intermodal, so it probably is. There she goes. A whole $2 worth. Okay, we'll see what happens next. We'll be right back. Okay, group, got our next train. I'm going to be setting it out in here because it is pouring rain. Train 873 coming. Previous train was 29P, so I was close. There she goes. Okay, we'll see what happens next. Hopefully it'll stop raining, but prior to this train coming, I wasn't getting out. It was like pouring, but Now it has lightened up a few. All right, we'll be back. Group, I seen this little thing crawling on the road here. And check this out. It's a baby snapping turtle. Check it out. Wow, I'm gonna get him off the road so he don't get run over. Cool, ain't he? All right, we'll be back for some more action here. Group, got something coming, a westbounder. Don't know who the heck he is. Hey, right, here he comes. Thought he might have said something like 14E or something, but that's a variable. It is BNSF power. I have a feeling this is 14E. It's a variable. Repositioning auto racks. There she goes, presumably 14E. All right, we'll see what else happens. We'll be back. Okay, group. Still here at Freely Road. Got an eastbounder coming. Don't know who he is or anything. It could be maybe 268. I did hear him in the area though, but I don't know. He usually goes into Sandusky Yard. Anyway, here he comes. Looks like it might be BNSF power. Well, this ain't 268, I know that. it's Canadian Pacific. And these cars are loaded. Probably fracking sand is more likely, I think. Okay, well, there goes that one. Okay, we'll see what else. I do believe there's probably two more westbounders not far behind him. So, all right, we'll be right back. Okay, group, here comes our next westbounder. This guy is 22H approaching. Previous train was 68N. Okay, there goes that one. Okay, we'll see what else comes back. We'll be back.